2024 Nissan Titan XD. With less than 7,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.